Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As-Salāmu Alaykum wa rahmatullah, my dear Muslims. When we look at the world around us, oftentimes we feel depressed and hopeless and frustrated. When our youth are moving away from the deen, when poverty is increasing, Islamophobia and oppression, they are increasing. We need to have individuals, we need to have organizations who can step up to the plate and help humanity out. Alhamdulillah. ICNA Chicago is one of those organizations, Alhamdulillah, since the last 50 years, doing amazing work to help humanity. 7th of December, Saturday, ICNA Chicago is having a grand banquet at Shalimar. So me, Sabeel Ahmed, on behalf of GainPeace, is going to invite every single one of you to attend the banquet. All of us coming together as Muslim Ummah, pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and helping humanity. 7th of December, Saturday at Shalimar. As-Salāmu Alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.